Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermistor in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermistor. There are two identical thermistors used in this refrigerator. One in the freezer compartment on the left side and another one in the fresh food section at the rear wall. The thermistor changes its resistance value according to the ambient temperature. Connected to the main control board, the thermistor controls the temperature. If the temperature inside of the freezer or refrigerator compartment is too high or too low, it's time to check and replace the thermistor if needed. All right, let's locate the thermistors in this fridge. So start with the freezer. We open the door and the thermistor is right there on the wall next to the light bulb. The other one is in the fresh food compartment. It's right there on the rear wall, and we will show you how to replace this one because the other one will be replaced exactly the same way. The thermistor is located inside this cover box, and the box is held in place by a single 1/4-inch screw, which is right in there. I'm using a thin wall nut driver because the opening is not large enough to use a regular nut driver. And we're going to take out the screw. And now we're going to slide the right side out of the slot in the wall, right there. And I'm going to take out the screw. And I'm going to disconnect this thermistor by pressing down on the locking tab and pulling it apart. I'm now going to take it to the workable place so we can remove the old thermistor. Okay, so we got here our thermistor. We inside the cover and the tape, as you can see. So we're gonna pull this out. All right, now I'm gonna pry out the thermistor from the brackets. I'm using a small flat blade screwdriver. This is the old thermistor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're now going to insert the new thermistor into this holder. Press it in. And I'm going to secure it with the same tape. If you saved it, if you didn't, then you need to produce a new piece of tape. All right, and now I'm going to install it into the fridge. All right, now I'm going to plug this thermistor in. And I'm going to install it. First, I'm going to place this little tab into the cutout. I'm using a thin wall nut driver. I'm going to place this 1/4-inch screw in and secure that cover. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.